Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri. I'm from class PBI E. So in this video, I will be presenting my literal reading assessment and little how to give a good speech. We are all called upon to make a speech at some point in life, but most of us don't do a very good job. This article gives some suggestion on how to give an effective speech. 1. So you have to give a speech and you are terrified, you get nervous, you forget what do you want to say, you stumble over words you tell too long, and you bore your audience. Later you think, thanks goodness, it's over. I'm just no good at public speaking. I hope I never have to do that again. 2. Cheer up. It does have to be that bad. Here are some simple steps to take the pain of speech making first of all. It is important to plan. Do your homework, find out everything you can about your subject, and at the same time, find out as much as you can about your audience. Who are they? What do they know about your subject? Do they have a common interest? Why are they coming to hear you speak? Put yourself in their shoes as you prepare your speech. 3. Ask yourself the purpose of your speech. What what is of occasion? Where are you speaking? Are you introducing another speaker? Moderating and discussion, giving a lecture, convincing someone. There are many possible speaking roles, and each one has its own special characteristic. Make sure you know into which category you fit. Don't spoil your speech by confusing one speaking role with another. 4. Let us suppose that you have been asked to introduce the main speaker at a conference. First, find out the most important and interesting thing about the most important and interesting that about the speaker. Then summarize the information in few remarks. It is all right to tell Jack or an anecdote if it is good lights and will not embrace the speaker and mind speaker. Your introduction, the mind speaker. 5. If you are a moderator, you should begin by giving a cute introduction of the people panel. On the panel. After that, you should try to keep the discussion running smoothly, and you should try to focus on the connection between speaker. Keep yourself in background. Don't talk too much and don't interrupt the panelists. Be tactful and considerate. 6. If you are giving a lecture or explaining an idea, gather as many facts as you can on your subject. Spend plenty of time doing your research. Then spend plenty of time organizing your material so that your speech is clear and easy to follow. Use as many examples and possible, and use picture, chart, and graph if they will help you make your point more clearly. Never forget your audience. Don't talk over their head and don't talk down to them. Treat your audience with respect. They will appreciate your tongue fullness. 7. If you are trying to sell something, you will need to confine your audience. Do you want them to vote for a candidate? Are you offering them a new improved toothbrush? This kind of speech is usually dramatic, but here too, you must do your research and know your fact. 8. When you are making your speech, try to relax. Speak slowly and clearly and look at people in your audience. Use simple vocabulary and expression whenever possible. Pause for a few seconds now and then to give your audience a chance to think about what you have said. Make sure that everyone in the room can hear you. If it, if this if it is a large room or an auditorium, you will probably have to use a microphone. 8. Just remember, be prepared, know your subject, your audience, and the occasion. Be brave. Say what have you say and then stop and be yourself. Let your personality come through so that you make person to person contact with your audience. Then, if you follow the simple steps, you'll see that you don't have to be afraid of public speaking. In fact, you may find the experience so enjoyable that you volunteer to make more precious speeches. You are not confined yet. Give it a try and see what happens. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.